welcome back to another Water Gardens Wednesday here at AQUA Lake and Pond Management. I'm Kara and I will be talking you through some basic aerator maintenance. So as you're shutting your ponds down for the winter, if you're installing an aerator, you might be noticing that it's not working as well as it used to. And there are a few things you can try to fix before you go out and buy a whole new unit. There's air stones, airline tubing, and a diaphragm kit. So the first thing is the tubing. Over time it can get a little bit brittle, a little bit kinked in certain spots. It's really easy to swap out. You just pull the old one off, and then you need to cut your length of tubing that you will need, and then just real easy, it goes right back on there. Next are the air stones. Again, real easy. You can see that these old ones are all covered in muck and debris, and over time, like, all the pores kind of get clogged. So you just grab your new ones, pop them right on the end of your airline. All right, so the next part is going to be the diaphragm kit, and you may want to come a little bit closer. So your diaphragm kit is the part of the aerator that actually creates the air bubbles and pushes them through the line. So you have to start by flipping this over. There should be little rubber stoppers here that you're gonna have to take out, and underneath you will find little screws in there. So take out those screws to open up the unit. Pop this right open, and see in here is the diaphragm. And what happens over time is this rubber gets a little bit dried out and starts to crack. So to remove this, you'll have to remove 3 screws. You have to move that plastic out of the way. Then as you remove the old one, you'll notice there's a little bit of tubing right here. Sometimes that comes off. Just need to make sure you put that back into place. That just connects the diaphragm to the external parts of the pump. All right, so pretty simple. Just like you took the old one out, you just pop this one right back into place. Just make sure these little parts go back into these tubes that I just told you about. Slide that into place there. Get back here. And then from there, you're pretty much just reassembling, putting things back together just like you took them out. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to join us next week for another Water Garden Wednesday, and hit the like and follow buttons.